This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 440 and 465. Interstate 30 between mile markers 60 and 64. For your protection, get inside of 30 structure and stay away from windows.